Hey buddy, welcome to Logic Wolf. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to make a good text-to-video using AI. I will also show you results at the end. I will tell you everything step by step, from writing prompt to downloading a fabulous AI-generated video. So let's move to my PC screen. First step is to go to ChatGPT and write exact same prompt as I do. Just change last sentence to whichever scene you want to generate. Then ChatGPT will give you a prompt for creating exact scene you want. You can mention more things to make AI-generated video more accurate. Then go to Canva, and here you have to take free trial, which is for 30 days. Just click on Canva AI and click on Create Video. You will be redirected to the purchase page. Here, just click on Canva Business. You will get it for free for 30 days. After free trial ends, you can use another account. After getting Canva Pro or Business, click on Canva AI again and select Create Video and paste your prompt. And select all options according your choice, such as close-up shot or wide shot. There are various options. Select other options also, such as audio and lighting, and then just click on Go. Canva will generate you a text-to-video absolutely free. Here are the results.